Hey guys, got a 2019 plate Ford Focus here. Just going to show you how to check the oil maintenance life on this one. On this one, we're going to use the buttons on the right hand side of the steering wheel and the screen on the dash. From here, I'm going to scroll down until you get to settings. Then press the menu button. Then press OK on information. And scroll down until you get to oil life. Then pressing OK. Now this one, for example, has 73% left. And then if you've changed your oil filter and you need to reset the life, you just press OK on reset oil life and now reset it to 100%.